Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is a powerful tool in the quest for overall well-being, including the prevention and potential combat against cancer. In this discussion, we'll explore 7 foods that have shown promise in both preventing and assisting in the fight against cancer. 1. Berries. Antioxidant-rich superstars. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of cancer development. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Sulforaphane warriors. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts belong to the cruciferous family, known for their cancer-fighting properties. Sulforaphane, a compound found in these veggies, has been studied for its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and support detoxification processes in the body. 3. Turmeric. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory magic. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research suggests that curcumin may interfere with the development, growth, and spread of cancer cells, making turmeric a valuable addition to a cancer-preventive diet. 4. Leafy greens. Nutrient-packed guardians. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 5. Garlic. Allosulfides against cancer cells. Garlic contains allosulfides, compounds that have demonstrated anti-cancer effects. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and support the body's ability to eliminate carcinogens. Incorporating fresh garlic into your meals can provide potential health benefits. 6. Tomatoes. Lycopene defenders. Tomatoes, particularly when cooked, are a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene has been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including prostate cancer. Include tomatoes in your diet to harness their cancer-fighting potential. 7. Green tea. Epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG) shield. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG). EGCG has shown promising anti-cancer properties by interfering with the growth of cancer cells, reducing inflammation, and promoting cell death in certain cancer types. While these foods are recognized for their potential in cancer prevention and support, it's essential to emphasize that they are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. A balanced and varied diet, along with a healthy lifestyle, plays a crucial role in promoting overall health and reducing the risk of various diseases, including cancer. Additionally, individual responses to foods can vary, and consultation with healthcare professionals is crucial for personalized cancer prevention strategies. Incorporate these cancer-fighting foods into your daily meals, stay physically active, maintain a healthy weight, and prioritize regular health checkups. If you found this information valuable, share it with others to spread awareness about the role of nutrition in cancer prevention. Together, let's empower ourselves with the knowledge to make informed choices for a healthier and resilient future. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on empowering your health journey. Here's to making informed choices, embracing a nourishing lifestyle, and cultivating a resilient and thriving well-being. Until next time, take care and be well.